KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ke sarkar jilla kala bensyat hakatanat pulit jong ke jilla banti banya yaki dikhot bat yaki nongelam jong ke kinhon lawai ba pernai hadin bakani ke kinhon kala berngem ban penthai bom nado ke shitrik ubna jemang arajar arpuar ha office trekam jong ke Meghalaya Board of School Education Shillong ha St Anthony School bat college kibadon halat umkra bat ha school bat nehu kani ke jing berngem jong kani ke kinhon ya kabalakam bala penkha de kinong hikai school bala sya be kam ha sarkar kala pens air men sem hado kata-kata yaki kime kipa bat yaki reo pat ba nong song snong jong ka sor shlo ha ka baya dai bat kani na kaliang jong sembut menteri rangba ka jelna ba preston tun song ha ka jing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor ka la sngu blai jong ka khatwai tarik ubna ya yong arajar arpuar ula ong baki pulit hado menta kidang penlong ya ka jing tokit ka babnya khnang ban lap yaki jing shisha
Entrusted to police department. We have already asked the police department to trace it out and find out whether the threat circulated through the media, through the social media, whether it's genuine, is it true or not. And then the police now they are on the job. That I don't think true, because as I said to you, we are determined. We already invited the HNLC, and I'm so happy. At least now they wanted to have across the table talking. So let us see, and I'm sure they are so positive from the government side. Also, we are so positive. Let us see that the talk starts very soon, and I'm sure we will be able to resolve again this issue when we are across the table.